day outside. I went outside and picked up some very tender dandelion leaves. This is the best timing to pick up this wild vegetable actually. And in Chinese medicine, this plant has many good health benefits. It can help to reduce your fever, and these flowers are beautiful, and they are fully bloomed, beautiful yellow color. So I picked a few dozen of them, and these are fully clean. And then I pick up some fresh tender leaves here, and I also cut some flower petals. I'm going to use it in my cooking for the supper today. And the supper, I prepared some halfly cooked elbow macaroni, and I also measured about 2/3 cup of mozzarella cheese. And now I'm going to get the simmered ground venison. I cooked a pound of ground venison with a quarter diced onion and 2 small potatoes and some herbs. And now I'm going to mix this halfway cooked elbow macaroni. This is, you can call this is lockdown time cooking at home. And the ingredients I use now, it's very common. Most people can find a pound of ground meat in their freezer, and some elbow macaroni. And the dandelions are nicely blooming, growing in almost most people's backyard. And then I just roughly break this dandelion leaf and put it on top of our mixed meat and elbow macaroni here. And you know, we have a very difficult time here right now, and we're staying at home, and there's not much vegetables and available, you know, in the grocery store or in your refrigerator. But now is a good time to pick up some of this delicious, healthy green leaf in your yard. Then I'm going to put some cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to sprinkle some of this dandelion flower petal. And I put the rest of the cheese here. I heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then I put this back in the oven, bake it for half hour. I'll show you how it looks like later and tell you how tasty it will be. Okay, I guess this is the look before it goes into the oven. I'm waiting. The cheese turned into a beautiful brown color, golden brown color. I'm going to cut this into a pie shape. See, I'm using a pie cutter here. Make sure I take them out. Baby, supper is ready. How hungry are you? I made a venison elbow macaroni, dandelion casserole. Looks good. Smells wonderful.